Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print the natural numbers summation pattern. Basically, summation pattern is a sequential pattern. So let's start this by the program. In the first line, we have created a function using def keyword. This defines a function named print summation pattern that will generate and print a summation pattern, which takes a parameter n, a number that determines how many lines of the pattern to print. Now, in the next line, this loop runs from 1 to n inclusively to create each line of the pattern, where each line includes number from 1 to I. Now, in the next line here, range 1 I plus 1 creates a range of number from 1 to I inclusively that converts each number in the range to a string. Here, join joins the list of string using plus as a separator. This outputs the joined string on the screen. Here, each loop iteration creates one line of the summation pattern. Now, in the next line, this prompts the user to input a number n. Input reads the input as a string, as int converts the string to an integer so it can be used in the loop. Here, in the last line, this calls the print summation pattern function with the number entered by the user. It prints the summation pattern for the given number. So let's check this program. I am entering 6 as we got a pattern till the number 6. So thanks for watching this video.